share the experiences of the Revolution with the people of Newtown is always very, very rewarding, and especially the children that come to watch and learn. That's the most
Peppermint.
important thing for me.
What do you think peppermint was used for?
Children enjoying the crafts, the children are learning about our history, about Newtown, and that's absolutely priceless.
My sixth great grandfather was in Valley Forge, and he fought with George Washington.
My name is Stephen Von Hohen. We're here in Newtown, Pennsylvania, here at the historic Bird in Hand property. I used to live there growing up, but today I'm a member of the 5th Pennsylvania Regiment protecting Newtown from the Loyalists.
The troops of Valley Forge are freezing, and we need to stop the Loyalists from stealing the cloth that is going to alleviate their suffering.
The rebels there in Valley Forge, and they have nothing.
We have heard reports that there are Continentals sewing uniforms in the area that will clothe thousands of rebel soldiers. Our purpose is to find this operation, destroy it, and capture all those involved.
And we are going to send King George a message.
I like seeing reenactments because it shows us the part of history that we didn't get to see.
Happy birthday.